This video describes how to select studies and submit a research proposal. Click the View and Submit box on the homepage. If you have not created an account and logged in, you'll be taken to a page where you can either log in or create an account. Once you've created an account and logged in, you are taken to the View and Submit page. To select studies from a particular study sponsor, select the relevant logo. If you would like to select studies from more than one sponsor, you can return to this page to select those studies. After selecting a study sponsor's logo, you are taken to the available clinical studies page for that sponsor. To find studies for a particular medicine, select the medicine from the drop-down box and click the search button. Similarly, to find studies for a particular medical condition, select the condition from the drop-down box and click the search button. To find studies by phase, select the phase from the drop-down box and click the search button. Selecting from more than one drop-down box will combine the searches. So for example, the search shown will find all Phase 3 fluticasone propionate salmeterol studies in asthma. Alternatively, you can search by entering text in this box. For example, you can enter the sponsor's clinical study identification number or study title. Click the search button to execute the search. The search results are shown at the bottom of the page. Up to 10 studies are shown on each page. Click the study title to see additional information about the study. This additional information includes a link to clinicaltrials.gov for that study where it is available. You can also see the datasets and documents that are available for that study. To select studies needed for your research from the available clinical studies page, click the Select Study button next to the required study. When you have selected a study, the Select Study button is no longer available and the study is added to a box on the left-hand side. The number of studies you've selected is shown at the top of this box. If you have selected a study by mistake, you can remove it from the box by clicking the X button next to the study. You can also clear all selected studies by clicking the Clear Selected Studies button at the bottom of the box. After you've selected studies for your research from the available clinical studies page, click the Research Proposal button. If you have unsubmitted research proposals, you can select a particular research proposal from a list to update it, or you can create a new research proposal by clicking the Submit New button. If you do not have unsubmitted research proposals or inquiries, you'll be taken directly to the Research Proposal form. For a new research proposal, enter a reference name. Choose a name that will enable you to identify the proposal. This will be used to identify your research proposal on the site. The studies you have selected are listed at the top of the page. You can remove studies by clicking the X button next to the study. Follow the instructions provided to complete the research proposal form. When you have finished, click the Save and Complete Submission button. Alternatively, click the Save button and come back later to complete your research proposal. Clicking the Save and Complete Submission button takes you to a page where you can review your research proposal before it's submitted. You can make changes by clicking the Make a Change button, and this will take you back to the research proposal form where you can make changes. To submit the research proposal, click the green Submit button at the bottom of the page. You will receive an email acknowledgement and be contacted if further information is required before your research proposal is considered by the independent review panel. That completes this video describing how to select studies and submit a research proposal.